Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 53 how to like a video on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application. So now we can go all the way to the iPhone, go to the Instagram application, go to Instagram, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, and then go to the search box and type in computer science. Click on the hashtag, go to a video you see, click a video and then like the video by double tapping, or we can click the heart of the post, go back to your Instagram profile, go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.